I am in regular drive mode. I'm not in sport. I'm not in all-wheel drive mode or anything. This is regular drive. You might be able to see this right here, but it's the D for drive. Yeah, so I told y'all I would give y'all some paddle shifter shit. So let's do it. All right, so I'm in regular drive, man. Y'all can't see this, but I'm in regular drive. I'm about to go ahead and engage the paddle shifters, and to do that you simply just tap one or the other, whichever. But I'm gonna go ahead and start at gear 1. I'm already in drive, and I'm debating if I should get on the highway or not, and yeah, I am. Let's open this thing up. Yeah, let's go for it. All right, let's get back on the highway, still in drive. Regular drive at that. Ooh, that bitch kicked it. All right, so I'm actually going to get off the highway, and I'm gonna throw this thing in sport, and I'm gonna just fuck around in traffic with it. So spirit of the video, man, I'm gonna discuss what I'm planning on doing in 2021 in the next video. But for this video, to end it, I'm just gonna tell y'all, man, simply this, man. Happy New Year's to each and every one of you. Hope it was a great holiday. I hope 2020 wasn't insanely horrible for a lot of people. Me, myself, personally, and my family. 2020 wasn't a terrible year, man. Like, it wasn't a bad year. I guess I consider myself lucky because we weren't really phased or affected by all of this coronavirus shit. It kind of stopped plans that we had, but that's really it, man. We hit 800 subscribers. I'm over 4,000 hours on watch time, which means once I crack 1,000 subscribers, I can be monetized at any point. But thank each and every one of y'all for making this happen, man. And other than that, yo, get after 2021, man. Make some shit happen for yourself and for your family. And on that note, y'all enjoy this video. And yeah, I'm out of here, man. Take care. Till the next time, man.